breaking this minute. This regarding Peter Mukherjee. He was now requested for a laptop in jail to write a memoir. There is more on that list of requests there. He's also wanted permission to attend a wedding. I remember Peter Mukherjee, who continues to remain in jail on charges of being involved in the murder. In fact, we're going to get in further updates here with more details. Let's get in a word here from my senior colleague Chandni Dabas, getting us more inputs on that list of demands by Peter Mukherjee. Chandni.
Yes, Seher, our correspondent Urvashi Khona has managed to access exclusively 3 applications that have been put up by Mr. Peter Mukherjee. One of the applications says that he is requesting compassionate permission to attend the wedding of his niece from 16th to 20th December. He says he's the eldest of the family, his elder brother has expired, and it is his duty to attend and oversee all the religious functions. But more interestingly, Seher, we've accessed an application wherein he has asked the jail authorities for a laptop. He says that he wants to write his life story. I want to read out to you. He says the applicant states he's 61 years of age and suffers from occasional memory fatigue. And he needs the use of a laptop. The laptop computer will be of great help to aid him in continuing his work without having to write everything in longhand form, and then locate the details during the writing and scripting process. Now, this is very interesting. You know, the story of Peter Mukherjee, we've been hearing that he's planning, and there's been speculation on whether he will write his life story. And here we have an application where he's asking the jail authorities for a laptop. He says he wants to sit and write down his life story, Seher.
Stay on with us, Chandni. We're going across to our correspondent Urvashi Khona with those details there as well on the exact form of request here that's been put in by Peter Mukherjee. Urvashi. Urvashi, is my voice going through, please? Okay, we're going to reconnect with her on that in just a bit. But Chandni, we've seen how this has played out in the past as well, particularly talking about his bail applications, of course, which he was denied several times, twice before, and now seeking permission for attending a family wedding there as well. Well, we'll have